Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another episode of the Face Off, and this time we have two naked wolves with us, the NS200 BS6 versus the NS200 BS4. So before we really start the face off and comparing both the bikes side by side, I should tell you what all things I have changed in my bike, which is the NS200 BS4 2017 edition. So this is the BS4 variant without ABS, and the things that I have changed starting from the front. So I have changed the headlight. Now I have an LED headlight in place. I have LED pilot lamps in place. Another change that I have done is the tire. So the front tire is 110 by 80 and now it is a radial tire. So I have the Michelin Pilot Street installed instead of the Euro grips. Another thing that has changed are the LED indicators. I do not have the stock fitted bulb indicators. I have swapped them with the RS200's LED indicators. And if you want to do the same with your NS200 or any other bike, so you can just refer to the link in the I button over here. And you can also install the LED indicators on your bike. The other noticeable change is the vinyl wrapping. So I have a matte black vinyl wrapping instead of the black gloss paint finish. So my bike was black grey and the other bike that we have in BS6 is yellow grey. So I have done the vinyl wrapping as well as the decals have changed, so there is no more Pulsar badging. We have our Rev Explorers badging on the bike on several places. And same goes with the rear tire. I have a Michelin Pilot Street installed 130 by 70, which is a radial tire. So these are all the changes that I have done to my bike. So now let's begin with the face off. So what has really changed? Well, if you are planning to buy NS200 BS6, we have a complete review over here for you. So you can go ahead and check it out. Now the first thing that has changed is the front disc brake. Now the BS4 bike had a 280mm front disc brake and the BS6 has a 300mm disc brake. So this change was not actually done in BS6, but it was done when the BS5 came in and the ABS was mandatory. So for accommodating the single channel ABS, Bajaj increased the size of the front disc brake to 300mm. Along with a bigger disc brake on the BS6, you get ABS sensors on both the disc brakes. However, only the front wheel is assisted with the ABS. Now the second change is the console, and on the console you get two additional indicators. So on the BS6 variant you get an EFI malfunction indicator as well as ABS indicator. However, on the other hand, on my bike, that is the BS4 NS200, you do not get to see both of these indicators. The third biggest change is the engine. Now you get a fuel injected engine in the BS6 variant. However, on the BS4 one, we had a carburetor one, and with the carburetor going out of the production line, you no more get to see the fuel norm. Apart from that, the performance figure has changed. Now the BS6 engine churns out 24.5 PS of power at 9750 RPM and generates a peak torque of 18.5 Nm at 8000 RPM. On the other hand, the BS4 one churned out a maximum power of 23.5 PS at 9500 RPM and a peak torque of 18.3 Nm at 8000 RPM. So for the BS6 variant, the power figures and the torque figures have gone up. And the last thing that you will notice in the BS6 variant is the big cat con, which has been fitted to keep the bike inside the emission norms. Along with this cat con is an O2 sensor, and with all these additions in the new BS6 variant, the weight has gone up to 156 kgs. On the other hand, the BS4 was just 152 kgs. Rest, it all feels the same. The NS200 BS6 is offered at 1.29 lakh ex showroom Delhi, and when I bought the BS4 edition, it was 96,000 ex showroom Delhi. So I bought this bike in 2017, somewhere around March, and this is it. This was the face-off between the NS200 BS6 versus the NS200 BS4. If you are thinking what I am thinking, the drag race. Post your comments in the section below if you want to see a drag race between both the bikes. If this video gets 50,000 likes, we'll make a drag race between the two. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any doubts or queries, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can directly get in touch with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We would love to help you. Share this video with your family and friends, whosoever is planning to buy the Naked Wolf. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep riding and be safe. Bye bye.